Unleash your inner adventurer. Ultimate travel hacks revealed. Voice. Are you ready to embark on unforgettable journeys around the globe? In this exciting and informative video, we present you with the ultimate travel hacks that will elevate your wanderlust experiences to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a novice explorer, these invaluable tips and tricks will help you make the most out of your adventures. From packing like a pro to finding the best deals, get ready to unleash your inner adventurer with our ultimate travel hacks. Travel tips, adventure hacks, wanderlust, globetrotting, expedition secrets. Intro. Background music fades in. Host. Welcome back, globetrotters. Are you yearning to explore new horizons? Ready to uncover the secrets of a seasoned traveler? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will divulge the ultimate travel hacks that will transform your vacations into extraordinary adventures. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to unleash your inner adventurer. Exciting footage of various travel destinations play. Voiceover. Voice. Are you tired of spending hours searching for the best travel deals? Do you struggle with packing efficiently or finding hidden gems? Fear not. Our ultimate travel hacks are here to save the day and make your upcoming trips unforgettable. Let's dive right in. H3 Ultimate Packing Hacks. Voice. Packing can be a daunting task, but with our ultimate packing hacks, you'll become a pro in no time. Learn how to maximize space in your suitcase, roll clothes like a pro, and organize your essentials efficiently. Never forget an item again and travel stress-free. Visuals demonstrating packing hacks. H3 Budget Travel Secrets. Voice. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Discover our budget travel secrets that will help you save money and still enjoy incredible experiences. From finding the best time to book flights to uncovering hidden gems, we've got you covered. Get ready to embark on unforgettable adventures without draining your savings. Exciting visuals of budget-friendly destinations. H3 Adventure Tips for Solo Travelers. Voice. Are you planning a solo expedition? Our adventure tips will empower and inspire you to take that leap of faith. Learn how to research destinations, stay safe on your journey, and make new friends along the way. Unleash your inner adventurer and explore the world fearlessly. Awesome footage of solo travelers exploring picturesque locations. H3 Insider Tips for Immersive Cultural Experiences. Voice. Immerse yourself in the local culture and make the most out of your journeys. Our insider tips will guide you to authentic experiences, where you can connect with locals, try delicious foods, and explore hidden gems often missed by tourists. Get ready to create lifelong memories. Fascinating visuals of travelers engaging in cultural activities. H3 Must-Have Travel Apps and Gadgets. Voice. In this digital age, travel apps and gadgets can enhance your adventures significantly. Discover our selection of must-have apps and gadgets that will revolutionize the way you travel. From navigation aids to language translation, there's an app for everything. Embrace technology and make your trips even more exciting. Highlighting innovative travel apps and gadgets. Outro. Background music fades in. Host. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We hope these ultimate travel hacks have ignited your wanderlust and will make your future trips extraordinary. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of globetrotters. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and let your inner adventurer roam free. Exciting footage of various travel destinations play. Voice. Unleash your inner adventurer. Ultimate travel hacks revealed. Background music fades out.